Welcome back for the daily session of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let us start with the chart of 1 hour. This is the Nifty 1 hour chart. And you see in yesterday video, I told about the movement of this day very clearly. And you see whatever happened today is exactly the same which I shared yesterday. First of all, I would like to uh, tell this chart. This is the Nifty Bank 1 hour chart, and I shared this chart on last Friday. This was the point. This was the point where I shared my chart analysis by making this line, white line, and this box. And yesterday I made this line, red color line. Okay. Now you can see the total movement happened in this week near these lines only. I said once this line is taken out, you'll see the upside move. This is the arrow showing you the upside move. Now, the third day of this week, the taken out condition fulfilled and market went to this high. And see, thereafter the market came back and took support of the same white line yesterday. This is the precision I share you in my videos, in my blogs, and prove you every day. Now, let us come to this point. You see the red line. I gave you the red line yesterday and told you this is the line. If the price breaks this line and continues and fulfill the condition of 15 minutes time frame only. I gave you only 15-minute time frame, not 2 time frames. For this particular line, I used only the one condition, that is the 15 minutes time frame. And you see what happened. The market, see here, the market crashed here in just 1 hour. Okay, and took support of this line. You can see my video yesterday. I made this line and clearly told you if this line is taken out in the 15 minutes chart, only then you will see the downside move. Otherwise, you will not. And you see exactly the price came to this line and moved above from this line. The whole 1 hour. This is the precision. This is the magic of my lines, of my marking. You have seen many platforms on YouTube where people are discussing about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis and so. But where is the consistency? I prove every day with the consistency, with the correct marking. There are so many resistance and support on the chart, but I select only that which are reactive. That is an art. That's why I tell you everybody to study hard so that you can also achieve that level. But it will take long time. Now, this is the point. Okay. Now, here I told you this gap. Yesterday I discussed about this gap. What gap is this gap? Okay. I discussed about this gap. If this gap is taken out, then you will see upside move. Otherwise, you will not. You can see here the price struggled here for 1, 2, 3, and 4 hours and could not fulfill the taken out condition of this gap also. So that is the beauty. Whatever you see in the next day, that I already manifest one day before. On the weekly analysis also, the same thing happens. Whatever you see in the next week, I manifest in the previous week and prove every week also. I am not restricted with, I am not limited to daily analysis. I am not limited to the weekly analysis. My manifestation is for every time frame. I have that skill which can manifest any time frame and proving since last 6 months. Now, price could not take out this gap. You can see here, okay, and it came down. This is now this top. I'm talking about this top. This top is still intact, though the price breached with the slight with the few points, but it is still intact because this top has not been taken out yet. Yesterday I talked about the tops and showed you how market is behaving. See, this is the top, it came down and made new top. This is the top, came down and made new top. So market is behaving like this only. It means it is very good trend, upside trend. So nobody can predict the accurate top where the market will form. This is an art. Yesterday I told you that is market has made top with my experience, but one condition should be satisfied, that it should take out the price should take out this white line in both time frames. Then this is the confirmation of top. Still the price could not do it, but I have 70-80% chances that this top is made. The price has made this top. 70 to 80% chances. 20% chances I leave for this condition. If this condition is met in next week, uh, precisely on Monday, then then this top would be very much confirmed. Okay, now come to the Nifty analysis. See, even in Nifty also, what I told you, this rectangle, it is having the various structures, various patterns of candlesticks. Those who know the pattern of candlesticks, they can recognize it easily. So this is the cluster of the various pattern, and I told you the effect of this pattern, because these patterns are made on the support, very good support. And yesterday trading, market made market converted this line, this support, into the zone. So now you are seeing the red zone here, and price took support in the red zone. I told you this is good zone, so price can move upside, and this is the area which has to be taken out, but price could not take this out. Okay, see, at this area also the price today made good candles, good negative candles pattern. These patterns are, see, this is the shooting star pattern, this is also hanging man, and this is a dodgy candle. So here these pattern shows that the buyers are not in control and bears are getting in control. So the price came down. Now, until and unless this pattern is taken out, this zone is taken out in both time frames, you cannot say the price will move down. But again, I am telling here, this is the top, though the price crossed this top but could not take it out, but this is the top. Okay, now same here, 70 to 80% chances the top has been made, but 100% confirmation we need the condition to be fulfilled downside. This pattern gave the effect of upside movement, and this pattern, the pattern made here, also gave the effect of downside movement. So basically the price in both patterns, between the both patterns, now the chances of the price to be taken out downside, but I am not denying here to go upside also, that is 20% only. Now come to this intraday trading. In the intraday trading, you can see the price started from this candle. I discuss intraday trading for those who want to earn money regularly every day. And there are so many people who want to earn, and there are so many traders who are struggling to be successful in the intraday trading. I specially keep this lesson for everyday trading for those who really interested in this. So for new viewers, I would like to share that in this strategy that has been developed by me uh, with my experience of so many years, so that I'm sharing with you. And for this particular strategy, you have the basic knowledge of support and resistance, how support and resistance are drawn, and the basic knowledge of candlestick patterns. See, basically, I have seen in my experience that the candlestick patterns which work are just 20, 15 to 20 patterns which are commonly used in price movement. So if you read them carefully, if you practice on the charts with the several hours of uh, your hard work, definitely you will come over from the problems that you are facing in your struggling career, struggling trading career. Okay, now for my analysis, you need only two things, that is support and resistance, and second is candlestick patterns. Now we start with this. See, this is the first candle, and this candle took support of yesterday's resistance. Price made the zone. See, this is the zone. The price made the zone. This was yesterday resistance and converted into the support now. Okay, the same day the price in the black color line made the zone, and the price next day, this is the next day first candle of 5-minute chart. Basically, one thing I would like to mention for the new viewers, that you have to analyze my strategy only on the 5-minute chart, whether it is the stock market chart, whether it is a commodity chart, or any other chart. Just use only the 5-minute time frame for the intraday trading. You need not to go for the higher time frames and even see them. No indicators is required. One of some followers asked me, sir, which indicator do you use? I do not use any indicator. This all indicators are lagging indicators. They give the information in the very they are lagging information. That's why I do not use them. uh, I just follow on the price action with the support, resistance, and candlestick pattern. So this zone was made yesterday, that is converted into the support zone just by because of this candle. This candle took support. The very first candle took support and took price upside. Here you can see when the price went upside, this is the candle, that is the hanging man candle, which is the first signal that something is going to be happen, because hanging man is a reversal signal. Here you can see this hanging man made here, but the wick is not big. For hanging man condition to be satisfied, the wick should be twice of the body. But in this case, the wick is not twice of the body, but still I consider it as the hanging man. So because it was not fully, it is the variation of the hanging man. That's why I waited here and saw this candle. Okay, this is also a inverted hammer. Okay, now the price should have been moved upside, but it did not and came down. I waited. The potential area is this is the potential area. Okay, that is the first entry. This is the potential area. Why this is the first entry? Because these two patterns indicated that price will not move upside, and this up move is tested, is the test of these pattern. Bears have entered here, and the upside move in the three candles is the test of bears entry, and they got succeeded because the price could not touch this and stalled here only. Now when this bit was failed and this candle, this is a bearish candle, when this made, this is your first entry. This is your first entry because of the two reason. The price tested it, that is the first reason, and second is the pattern here is hanging man, and this again this pattern which is not fulfilled, which is also the failed pattern. It means the price will move down. So this is your first entry, and obviously when you entered here, this is the support zone, so you have to book your profit here. There is no misunderstanding in this. It is quite obvious. Now come to this point. This is the support. You see the buying pressure candle, that is the hammer candle, and second candle is also the buying pressure candle and the bullish candle. It means this confirms this support. Now this is your second entry with the stop loss of this. In the first condition, this will be your stop loss. This area will be your stop loss. In the second entry, this is your stop loss. I mean, this candle means 10 points below this candle is your stop loss. Now price moved upside. Naturally, this is a selling pressure candle, and price took resistance here, and this pattern, you can see this pattern. This pattern is the bearish engulfing pattern. When this made, it means you have to book your profit. You need not to wait, because this pattern is very bearish and the price, see, came down. Now this is your first entry and second entry and exit. Now come to the third entry. Again the price came to this point. I will not take any position here. I do not recommend to take any position here. The moves which are not meant for the moves which are not meant for trading, I mark it again in the arrows. This move is not meant for trading. Okay, now this move also, this is not meant for trading. This move is also not meant for trading. Okay, and see, this move is also not meant for trading. I do not like to enter in these sorts of move. Now come to the third entry point, because I have already entered in 3 positions, but it means you have the these potentials entries 1 and 2 and 3. This entry is third entry. Why this is the third entry? Because price took resistance of these 3 cluster of EMAs, and this is the bearish engulfing pattern, clear cut pattern, and this was tested. This is the test of this bearish engulfing pattern. When the pattern is tested, then the entry is confirmed. Okay, you could enter here also, you could enter here also. Both entries are valid. Here this entry is also valid and this entry is also valid. This, why I prefer this entry, because this is the potential zone. This is the potential support zone which will give which will provide support here, and see, it provided. When this this move got exhausted by these 3 EMAs, entry number 3 is here. Now with this entry, this is your exit point. Because why this is your exit point? This red line I gave you yesterday. Until unless this line is taken out, you will not see any fall. So this is obvious point which I provided you yesterday is your exit point, and you can see here the 2 hammer candles also. Now I am running out of the time, because you see 24 seconds left. I have to end this session. Goodbye. See you next week.